In this video, I will show the process of creating a 5555 timer circuit using LiveWire and PCB Wizard. In the latest practical, the LiveWire and PCB Wizard software were already installed. Now let's begin. After opening LiveWire, the next step is to find and insert all the components used in the given 5555 timer circuit. The components needed are a 9V battery, a switch, 2 resistors, 1 variable resistor, 1 capacitor, 1 NE555 timer IC, and 1 LED. Each component has its own function. The 9V battery supplies power to the circuit. The resistors and variable resistor control the timing and blinking speed. The capacitor stores and releases charge to create a delay. The NE555 timer IC generates the pulse signal that makes the LED blink. The LED acts as an indicator to show the circuit output, and the switch is used to turn the circuit on or off. After placing all the components on the workspace, I started arranging and connecting them together. All the components were placed in the same position as shown in the given circuit diagram to make the wiring easier and more organized. The connections were made according to the schematic of the 5555 timer circuit. The resistors, variable resistor and capacitor were connected to control the timing. The NE555 timer IC was connected in a stable mode, which means it continuously produces pulses. The LED was connected at the output pin to show the blinking effect. After completing all the connections, I checked the entire circuit to make sure there were no open or wrong connections before starting the simulation. I started the simulation in LiveWire to test the 5555 timer circuit. I continued by converting it into a PCB layout. Before converting, I followed the given settings and instructions, which is setting the PCB size, choosing to automatically place all components, routing all the connections, and adding copper areas to complete the board. Once all these steps were done, the circuit was successfully converted into a PCB layout, ready to be viewed in both normal and real-world styles. Now let's look at the PCB design layout for the 5555 timer circuit. I opened the PCB in 2 styles, normal and real world. In the normal style, we can see the component pads and copper tracks that connect all parts together. This view is used to check the wiring spacing and layout before printing the board. In the real-world style, the PCB looks more realistic. It shows how the board will actually look once all components are placed. We can clearly see the resistors, variable resistor, capacitor, NE555 IC, and LED on the board. And that's it from me. Thank you for watching.